Hi Melinda, hope you're well. I've got the Paws Pet Retreat homepage. I've made a few changes to that. So in conjunction with the email that I've just sent you, you can log in on SiteGround if you change your host file, and you'll be able to see this version of the website, and we'll just flick it over once we're ready to go live. So I've made some minor changes to this with the text, so just here, and some images, the best ones that I could find that we've already got available to us. So that's done, and I've made changes to this text here, but there seems to be an issue with the paragraph styles. They're not applying. Like, I can see that you've made all of these paragraphs within the divs, but for some reason, and even on the original site that you had here, it's all running together. So I'm not exactly sure why that is. Could we just fix it so that, say there's a paragraph break? I've worked on this copy a little bit. I've still got to massage it a little bit more, but it's a bit more punchy now. People just aren't reading that much these days. It's the way that the internet is going. So I have broken it into more digestible blocks, and changed the size. So this has been bumped up a little bit, as has this text. And then if we could just put a paragraph break in there, or fix it so that the paragraph breaks actually apply, say one there, and then I'll continue on this a little bit further later on. So that's essentially it for the moment. That's just another change, and if you could make the changes to the SiteGround website moving forward, as I said, and then we'll just change it over once we're ready to go live. These images, they're okay. We could do even better with a professional photographer, but at the moment I'm just trying to establish what images we've got, put them in, and we'll have a look at it once it's all finished, and will give us a base to brief a photographer on what we're kind of looking for. So I'm also got an About Us section. So these now go to the About Us section. And in the About Us section, I'm going to do a gallery of images in here. Well, I'll brief that into you soon enough. I'm running out of time today, but I've got a whole stack of images. If I can just bring it into the screen here. So these images, if we can bring these in via a gallery, that'll be great. Once again, I haven't culled these, but be putting these into a gallery soon. So maybe even think about the gallery on the About Us page if you get time. No hurry on it at the moment because I'm not there, but yeah, and we'll get a whole lot of images in, preferably with our kids, with staff members, with shirts, potentially this green colour, like a polo shirt, so that they look like staff, etc. So that's the goal, really, to just establish the trust with would-be customers. And yeah, so onwards and upwards. And I'll leave it there, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, thanks, Melinda. Cheers.